Space. A never-ending ocean of stars, planets and mysteries beyond imagination. Over the years, scientists have discovered signals, some brief, others repeating, originating from the depths of the universe. But here's the twist. Many of these signals remain unexplained. Are they natural phenomena, distant celestial events, or could they be something else? Could we be picking up on the whispers of something beyond our comprehension, something that hints at the existence of other intelligent life forms out there in the vast cosmic arena? Today, we're diving into the top unexplained signals detected by scientists that continue to baffle the world. But first off, we need to unlock this and see the inside at the end of this video. Subscribe! Our journey begins in 1977 with a signal that sent chills down the spines of scientists and ignited the imaginations of people worldwide. Picture this. It's August 15th and a researcher at Ohio State University is scanning the skies looking for any unusual radio signals. Suddenly something pops up on his screen. It's strong, it's clear, and it lasts a full 72 seconds. This wasn't just any ordinary blip on the radar. This signal, my friends, had structure. It had a specific frequency, one that hinted at something. Deliberate. The astronomer Jerry Amon was so taken aback by the signal that he grabbed a red pen, the kind your professor uses to grade papers, circled it and wrote one word in the margin, "Wow!" And just like that, the wow signal was born, forever etched in the annals of scientific mysteries. Now, you might be thinking, okay, a strong signal, that's interesting and all, but what's the big deal? Well, here's the thing. This signal, originating from the constellation Sagittarius, couldn't be explained. It didn't match any known celestial object or phenomenon. Scientists scrambled, of course. They pointed their telescopes toward the signal's origin, hoping to catch another glimpse to understand what they were dealing with. But it was gone, vanished. The wow signal was a one-time event, a cosmic whisper that left everyone wondering if they had imagined it. Was it a distant star collapsing in on itself? Was it some bizarre, never-before-seen cosmic event? Or, and this is where things get really interesting, could it have been an attempt at communication from an intelligent civilization light years away? To this day, no one knows for sure. The wow signal remains a tantalizing enigma, a cosmic question mark that continues to inspire both scientific inquiry and our wildest imaginations. Now, hold on to your hats, folks, because our next cosmic mystery takes us deeper into the realm of the unknown. In 2007, astronomers stumbled upon something even stranger than the wow signal, an intense burst of radio waves that lasted not hours, not minutes, but mere milliseconds. These bursts, my friends, are so fast, so incredibly brief, that they make the blink of an eye seem like an eternity. We're talking about signals that carry more energy in 1,000th of a second than our sun emits in an entire day. Scientists were baffled. What could possibly generate such powerful bursts in such a short amount of time? They called them fast radio bursts, or FRBs for short, and they quickly became one of the hottest topics in astronomy. But here's the thing about FRBs. They're not just incredibly powerful and incredibly brief, they're also incredibly mysterious. We're talking about signals that travel billions of light years across the universe only to reach our telescopes as faint whispers. And to make matters even more intriguing, some of these FRBs, like the one known as FRB 121102, have a peculiar habit of repeating. It's like someone or something out there has a cosmic telegraph machine and keeps sending us the same cryptic message. Now, scientists being scientists, they've come up with a whole bunch of theories to explain FRBs. Some think they might be caused by neutron stars, those incredibly dense remnants of collapsed stars. Others believe they could be the result of powerful magnetic fields around black holes. But the truth is, we're still a long way from knowing for sure. Could these FRBs be a natural phenomenon that we haven't quite figured out yet? Or could they be, dare I say it, a form of interstellar communication from a civilization far more advanced than our own? Next, the mysterious signal from Proxima Centauri. Now let's bring things a little closer to home, shall we? Our next stop takes us to Proxima Centauri, our very own next-door neighbor in the vast cosmic neighborhood. Now, Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf star, And at first glance it might not seem like anything special, but don't let its size fool you. You see, Proxima Centauri has a secret. It's home to an Earth-like planet, a planet that exists within the star's habitable zone, where temperatures could potentially support liquid water and maybe even life as we know it. So, when astronomers announced in 2020 that they had detected a strange radio signal coming from the direction of Proxima Centauri, the world took notice. This wasn't just any random signal, mind you. This signal, dubbed BLC-1, had some very peculiar characteristics. For one thing, it was a narrowband signal, meaning it was concentrated around a very specific frequency. And for another, it persisted for several hours, which is quite unusual for natural radio sources. Now, I know what you're thinking. Aliens, right? Well, hold your horses for a second. While the possibility of an extraterrestrial origin is certainly tantalizing, scientists are quick to point out that there are other, more mundane explanations. It could be interference from our own technology, like satellites or ground-based transmitters. Or it could be some unknown natural phenomenon that we haven't encountered before. But here's the thing. The signal's frequency didn't match any known human-made sources. And it came from the direction of a star system that we know has a potentially habitable planet. So, while scientists are right to be cautious, the possibility of an extraterrestrial origin, however slim, is enough to send shivers down your spine. Another is X-rays from a black hole. Okay, folks, get ready for this one because it's a real head-scratcher. Imagine this, a black hole, the ultimate cosmic vacuum cleaner, a region of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Now imagine that black hole emitting regular pulses of X-rays, almost like a cosmic heartbeat. Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what astronomers observed in a system called GRS 1915+105, located about 40,000 light-years away from Earth. Now, black holes are weird and mysterious objects to begin with. They're formed when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives, creating regions of space-time where the laws of physics as we know them break down. But even by black hole standards, this heartbeat signal was something truly unexpected. You see, black holes aren't supposed to emit any kind of regular signals, let alone ones that we can detect across vast cosmic distances. So, what in the universe is going on here? Well, scientists are still trying to figure that out. One theory is that the X-ray pulses are caused by matter falling into the black hole. As the matter spirals inward, it heats up to millions of degrees and emits X-rays. But that doesn't explain the regularity of the pulses. Another theory is that the pulses are related to the black hole's spin. As the black hole rotates, it drags space-time around with it, creating a sort of cosmic whirlpool. This whirlpool could be responsible for channeling matter and energy in a way that produces the observed X-ray pulses. Whatever the explanation, the heartbeat signal from GRS 1915+105 is a reminder that we still have a lot to learn about the universe and the strange objects that inhabit it. And the last one is the mysterious signals from Andromeda. For our final cosmic mystery, we're going to take a giant leap across the cosmos to our galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. Now, Andromeda is a spiral galaxy, much like our own Milky Way, but it's much bigger, containing trillions of stars. It's a vast and ancient island universe located about 2.5 million light-years away from us, and for centuries, astronomers have been studying it, trying to unravel its secrets. But in the 1970s, astronomers picked up something strange coming from the heart of Andromeda. Unusual radio waves that seemed to defy explanation. These signals were faint and difficult to analyze, but they hinted at an intense energy source, something far more powerful than anything we'd ever encountered before. Now, the center of a galaxy is a chaotic place, filled with stars, gas, dust, and a supermassive black hole, millions or even billions of times the mass of our Sun. So, it's not unusual to detect strange signals coming from these regions. But the signals from Andromeda were different. They were more sporadic, less predictable, as if something was deliberately shifting its position, hiding its presence from our prying eyes. Some scientists believe that these signals could be caused by the supermassive black hole at the center of Andromeda. As matter falls into the black hole, it gets heated to extreme temperatures and emits intense radiation, including radio waves. But others aren't so sure. They point out that the signals don't quite match what we'd expect to see from a black hole. They're too erratic, too random, and so the mystery of the Andromeda signals remains unsolved. Are they simply a natural phenomenon that we haven't quite figured out yet, or could they be something more? Could they be a sign of a highly advanced civilization harnessing the power of a supermassive black hole? Humans keep looking up. As technology advances, our telescopes become more powerful and our understanding of the universe deepens. We might one day have answers to these cosmic mysteries. But until then, we're left wondering, are these signals merely cosmic coincidences? Or is the universe trying to tell us something, or perhaps someone? The universe is full of wonders, mysteries that challenge our understanding and ignite our imaginations. From the faint whispers of distant galaxies to the strange signals emanating from our own stellar neighborhood, the cosmos is a never-ending source of awe and inspiration. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next dive into the mysteries of the universe. Let us know in the comments, what do you think these signals are? Until next time, keep looking up.